Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're sick and tired of watching other people have success online and not having your own, then you're going to want to watch this video the whole way through. All right, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping my next video or when I'm going live on the channel, guys. All right, so listen. In today's video, we're going to be showing you exactly how to start making money online with affiliate marketing, guys. There's too many people on my team that I've seen in other opportunities that just haven't had success. And when they start following me and start implementing the things that me and Josh teach, they just go from 0 to 10K within a matter of 30, 60, 90 days, just by listening to the principles and taking action and following the action steps, guys. So listen, stay tuned, wait all the way to the end of this video while I'm going to be giving you your bonuses, and I'll see you at the end.
Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this video is for people that really want to make life-changing income, leveraging a simple process that I use specifically to make between $1,000 to $2,000 per day. If you can follow this process, watch every moment of this video, this can potentially change your life. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video. And if you do decide to subscribe at some point in this video, make sure you tick the bell icon, because I'm releasing consistent videos showing you guys exactly what I'm doing to go from 0 to $10,000 per month, then $50,000 per month, then $100,000 per month. Just in the past month of March, we did well over $40,000 in profit in commissions, leveraging a simple system and a simple process. So in the description, I will put a link to a playlist that outlines exactly how I made that $40,000 in one single month. You'll be able to watch it from square one, from day one, when I started the campaign, all the way up to today, which has been now right around 73 days or so. So in this specific video though, we're gonna focus on showing you guys exactly how to make high ticket commissions. In other videos, I show you how to make lower ticket commissions, residual commissions. We're gonna show you in this video how to make $1,000 to $2,000 commissions like clockwork. And if you guys don't know what high ticket affiliate marketing is, essentially what we're doing is we're promoting other people's high priced products, and we're making up to 95% commissions on the sale of each of these products, leveraging a simple system. So I think high ticket affiliate marketing is typically promoting a product that's over $900, typically between $900, $1,000 plus. You can basically say that that's high ticket affiliate marketing. Some people might think that it's over $500 that the price of the product needs to be, but usually anything over $900, $1,000 is going to be considered high ticket. So with that being said, you guys can see the results right here. Today, the gross volume, $2,597. 2,000 of that is pure profit. Yesterday, $1,101. $1,000 of that is pure profit, okay? So we're gonna walk you through the exact process, the exact system that I use to accomplish this. Some of you guys have seen this system, some of you guys haven't, okay? This system is known as multiple income funnel. I've showcased this system numerous times on this channel, and I'm gonna showcase it again because it freaking works. So if you guys are following my case study, you guys are modeling exactly what I'm doing as I do it, you can potentially see similar results. Now, By showing you guys my results, this is no guarantee that you're going to get the same exact results. But what I can say is if you take action and you implement what I outline in each and every one of my videos, you can have success. You can start generating similar results, but you got to make sure you take action consistently. So with that being said, what you want to do is step one, click the link below in the description, go ahead and join Multiple Income Funnel. This is the back office. Now, what is Multiple Income Funnel? It's really cool, you guys. It's an actual system that sells products and services for you. In this case, the products and services that are being sold for you are internet marketing education. Think of going to a university, right, where you learn a specific skill set. This is the same thing, except this is the skill set of digital marketing. Teaching people how to build a brand, how to become influencers, how to get more traffic, more leads, more sales into whatever business that they have. This could be a coaching or a consulting business. It could be an online or an offline business. What this specific system promotes are products, AKA university, on education, info marketing education that teaches people how to start and grow a business online. These income streams include different softwares, different teachings on how to generate leads on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, et cetera, et cetera. So you can promote one single link, and when you share this one single link, you make commissions from multiple sources. So I'll share this link, and then this is what happens. It will go straight to a sales page, but first this is an actual capture page. So you enter the name and email address. I'm acting as a consumer right now. They click on, let's go ahead and just enter an email address, join Facebook group. It's gonna take them to a page with a sales video, and then join our Facebook group right here. They make a payment, and I get a $20 per month commission when people go ahead and decide to buy. So essentially what we're doing is we're joining Multiple Income Funnel. We're relicensing the products within it, and then we're re-promoting it, okay? And you can choose to also just consume the information within the different product lines inside a Multiple Income Funnel, and you could use it in any other business. Or you can choose to re-promote it, which is what I do, and that's how I make the big commissions. So I don't want you guys to think this is just the thing that you join to promote the thing that you just joined. Does that make sense? So you have the choice to do that. In this case, you guys are copying what I'm doing. So you would want to do that. You want to go ahead and join, and then obviously promote with your affiliate link. Now, before you start promoting your affiliate link, you need to go ahead and need to set up your system. So once you log in, instead of going straight to links, we don't want to do that yet because we want to go ahead and set up the system. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch video one right here, join the Facebook group. Then you're going to go to step two, and you're going to set up all your income streams right here. There are 4 of them, and you're going to earn off of all of them. So I showed you one income stream, which is this one right here. And that is actually income stream number 2 right here. Okay, income stream number 1 is Multiple Income Funnel itself. So you watch this video, you plug in your affiliate link. Okay, same with step 2, you watch the video, and then you plug in your affiliate link. Then step 3 and step 4, the same thing. Watch the videos, plug in your affiliate link. So then when you go to the link section right here and you share your link, and people complete this process too, where they sign up for each of the income streams, you, my friend, get the commission off of all of these income streams. Now, here's the cool caveat. Income stream number 2 is really powerful because it's designed to get people at the top level, which is a $2,500 level. Okay, that's where you're able to earn $2,000 commissions. Okay, so what most people are doing when they come through step 2 right here, right, and then sub-step 2, E1U Life, they watch the video here and they join, and they typically join at the highest level because there are different levels in this second income stream, and you want to watch the video so you understand each of these different levels. But what you're going to notice is most people are joining at the top level. If you do not come in at the top level or near the top level, you're not going to earn all the commissions below that level. So you'll miss out on consistent $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. That's why I tell people, if you're going to get involved with income stream number 2, which you want to, most people will upgrade to the $1,000 level or the $2,000 level, which you want to make sure you're at least at one of those levels, because if somebody decides to buy after you, you will pass that sell up to your sponsor. We don't want to do that, right? I want you to keep all the money. As much as I would love to keep all the money, I want to help you make money as well, right? So you want to go ahead and set up income stream number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I can show you the income results with each of these other income streams as well. You can actually see right here. Here is income stream number 3 results right here. I've earned over $12,000 here. In income stream number 4, if we go ahead and log in and go to the commissions area, you're going to see that I've done, I think, like $29,000 in this specific income stream right here, right? So we can go to commissions here, 29,000. And it's because of this system right here, guys, plugging into multiple income funnel, letting these videos do all the selling and telling for me while I can go to the beach, while I can enjoy time with family, while I can travel, right? That's the power of leverage and systems, is being able to set up a system like this, send website visitors to it, and let it make residual commissions for me. Okay, so you might be wondering, well, Josh, how do I share this link right here? Okay, how do I do that? Because you want to get as many people to your affiliate link as possible. The more people to your affiliate link equals the more money you make, right? And you want to make sure those people are of quality, of course, as well. So once you get your system set up, this is all you worry about. Because with affiliate marketing, you're not creating the products, you're not dealing with the customer service, you're not dealing with the coaching or the training. All you do is send traffic, send website visitors, and let everybody else take care of the rest. So having said that, you're wondering, Josh, how do I get traffic? Well, income stream number 4, right? Let me just go jump back here. I'm sorry, income stream number 4 and actually income stream number 3. Let's start with income stream number 3, which is HBA, right? When you sign up for this, you're going to log into the back office and you want to make sure that you have the HBA premium. You're going to click on that and you want to go through the get traffic free section and start implementing the get traffic free section when it comes to sharing your multiple income funnel affiliate link, okay? And you want to make sure that you do that every day. Implement one free traffic strategy that's listed right here, okay? And when you sign up for income stream number 3 and you log in, you'll go to HBA Premium, make sure you've upgraded to this, and you'll just go to the free section right here. I'm using a lot of YouTube and I'm doing some Facebook as well, okay? And you want to implement those 2 strategies when it comes to free traffic. Do that every day. The next thing that you can do is, if we go back to the income streams, income stream number 4, you can plug into what's called paid traffic. Paid traffic is where you can get leads and sales today, but you're paying for it with money. With the HBA Premium, the free traffic section, you're trading your time for leads and sales. So this is something that snowballs over time, free traffic. It takes time to grow on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So that's long-term residual traffic. That's traffic for tomorrow. Traffic for today is paid traffic, okay? And that's why you want to do a combination of both. I recommend doing traffic authority. Okay, so all you got to do is go to income stream number 4, follow the directions, and then also pick 2 traffic strategies under the free section, and you will be good to go and ready to start making big commissions that you're seeing right here. And I'm to the point where I'm really getting these almost on a consistent daily basis. And speaking of, guys, I'm number 1 on the leaderboards. Like, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this stuff. If I go to the affiliate dashboard, I go to the leaderboard, I'm number 1, okay? I'm the best in the business when it comes to creating traffic and converting. So listen to what I'm saying in this video. Do not take it lightly. So that is the simple formula for success, you guys. Once you have all your 4 income streams set up in step 2, you go to step 3, set up your e-wallet, and step 4, complete your back office tour and start sharing your links just the way that I showed you in this video.
All right, guys. So you see exactly how easy it is, and I do hope you got value from that video, guys. And if this is the first time you're watching this video all the way through and you just stuck around so you can get my bonuses, make sure you go ahead and start from video number 1 in this How to Make 6 Figures in 90-Day video series, guys. All right. So in regards to the bonuses, I'm going to get to that for you. But I just wanted to show you, going through the multiple income funnel, guys, step number 2, set up your income streams, how important that is. And as you can see right here, income stream number 1, I'm completed. Income stream number 2, E1U, completed. Income stream number 3, which is the Home Business Academy, which right now, guys, is on fire, completed. Traffic Authority, which is one of my bonuses, completed, guys. Listen, even if you go to the bonus income streams, which I haven't even talked about yet, okay? We are doing my lead gen secret. All right, so if you go ahead and take a look at that right there, as you can see, it's completed. All right, right here, guys, TechSpot AI. We haven't even gotten into this, guys. Completed. And last but not least is the Fast Lane Affiliate System, which once again I have completed, guys. So it's all about taking action, okay? Completing those income streams, getting everything set up in the back office, setting up your e-wallet, guys. Do all of these steps first. You can't start generating an income online if you don't take step by step, guys. Very, very important that you understand that. And I know you're very eager to get into it and get going and start generating income and making money. But you have to be able to follow the steps first, guys. So here are my bonuses for you. For income stream number 2, which is E1U Life. For those who have joined me in the Vertex Live level. Okay. What that means is once you join me in Vertex Live level, you get to earn on all of these other levels as well. So this is a $2,000 commission. This is $1,000. This is $750, $500, $250, and $50, guys. Okay, but you have the access and the license to earn up to $2,000 per commission on this Vertex Live. So when you join me at Vertex Live level, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to go over to the Traffic Authority, which as you can see right here is another income stream that you can earn from. Right, so you go over here. I'm going to hook you up with the silver package, which is 510 to 570 clicks just for joining me, guys. All right, you got to send me your link, your affiliate link. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to put it right in here. And I'm going to place the order. And within 24 to 48 hours, you will start generating leads for the multiple income funnel, guys. All right, and that is my bonus, which is a $660 value just for joining me here at the Vertex Level Live, guys. All right, so it's very, very simple. Take action, start today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.